Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today I am going to discuss about a fantastic topic, Aurora. Did you hear about Aurora? Aurora is one of the beautiful phenomena that happen at the poles of the earth. How it happens like that? We can discuss those things in this video. Due to the solar wind, many electrons will come out on the surface of the earth. The earth have atmosphere. In the atmosphere, there are different types of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Due to the interaction between the atoms of gases like nitrogen and oxygen with the electron, there will be a glow formed. This process causes the aurora. Solar wind is a powerful wind from the sun, but how we survive from those solar wind? It's an amazing thing. Our Earth atmosphere have different layers. Ionosphere is one of the layers that prevent the solar wind from the sun. What is ionosphere and how it forms? Earth is considered as a magnet. Magnet? Yes. The north pole of Earth is the south of the magnet, and south pole of Earth is the north pole of magnet. Why Earth shows like this property? The core of Earth is not always a rigid thing. It's a type of plasma. I hope you got the idea about Aurora. If you like this video, just share to your friends.